So I just came back from work right now, and I decided that I want to speak with you guys because it's been really long I talk with you. And yeah, this is me, Cash Rocks. I think this is not the kind of intro you guys want me to give, but yeah, let's start this way. I do hope you guys can actually see me properly. I hope you guys can see me the way I want to be seen. I hope I'm making sense. But I'm just coming back from work, so this has literally been how I have been spending my life since I came back to China. And it's been really long I came up here to talk with you guys. It's been kind of long I came up here to discuss with you guys as regards everything, like literally everything. So yeah, this is just me. I work Mondays to Saturday, Lagos State. And the stress and also the traffic, I think I do wake up every day by 5 or thereabout to prepare for work, and I come back very late as well. That's even one of the reasons why I've not really been uploading my content personally about me. But this video is not going to be different from my series, like my Johnny and I series, which I just started. If you don't know, I started a new series on my channel, which is like my Johnny and I series, and I think I've posted one video. I've actually shot 2 different videos regarding my Johnny and I series, but the first one I shot, I think the quality is a bit okay, though a lot of people say it's okay, but I know it's not the kind of quality I wanted for the video. But the second one was actually worst. The second one would have gone up before this video, but with how I'm seeing things now, I think this one will be going up before that one. Okay, so welcome back to another episode of my Johnny and I series. I'm your humble host, Cash Rocks. All right, so today at the office, I was just telling myself, you know, I have decided to bring some people up on this channel to discuss about their life experience, to talk about their journey so far, people living with different conditions, and also people that have defect. This series is not just about people born with defect, but also about people living with kind of a condition, people that circumstances got like caught up with. Those are the people I want to bring up on this channel to share their experience, to talk about what they are passing through or how it started on their own end, to bring their condition to the public, like to create an awareness for them, and also it to kind of serve as an opportunity for me to lend a hand to them, because when I was in China, I wanted to start up a foundation. I don't know if I want to disclose that yet, but for now I think I'm going to be starting up with this one. Also, people living with illness that actually needs the public attention, and a situation whereby I feel if my audience, which I know that right now I might not have that much, but definitely very soon I'm going to get to that extent where I will have audiences that will be willing to help the public, just like people that are suffering from cancer and all that. It has been something that I have been really looking forward to start up and promote them on this channel, and I'm happy that yes, I'm starting it up, even though I know it's not easy doing that, even though I know that it's not easy getting people to come up here and share their story. But yeah, we're going to do it regardless. That's why I don't want this my channel to be scattered all over the place. But yeah, before I proceed, if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please do well to subscribe. We are in 2023, and definitely this year is going to be a great year for us. This year is going to be a year of opportunity and open doors. I know probably with the title that you saw on this video, you'd have started saying, stuck now. The reason why I came here is not what you're talking about. But yeah, I just need to like talk about that for some time before I head into what brought you here. So 2022, I got diagnosed with chocolate cyst, which you might probably know as ovarian cyst. 2023 wasn't really the best year for me. It wasn't really the most amazing year for me, but I still have a lot of things to be thankful for. If you saw my post on my community tab, you know I talked about this. I think the end of December I actually posted this, and I was being sincere with what I posted. 2022 is a year that I think I would never forget in a hurry. It made me come back to Nigeria. It made me return back to this country because of the pain and all that. But still, 2023 gave me the love of my life, the man I'm living with at the moment. In case you don't know, a lot of people have been asking me, where is your ring? Put on your ring. Don't worry, very soon you guys will see that, okay? So yes, I got diagnosed with chocolate cyst in China, and most people actually know it as ovarian cyst, like I said earlier on. So I came back and have done a lot of things to try and treat it up. One of the reasons why I'm going to start up with this story is, you know, I was telling myself today at the office that I think I'm not really doing this stuff the way I should. Before I start posting other people content as regards their journey and themselves, I think I should also share my journey and myself on this page, just like using it to welcome everyone that is new to this channel and for them to know what I'm talking about, rather than going ahead to start posting other people. So I have to talk about my journey and I before posting others. So yes, that is what I'm trying to do now. I'm going to show you guys most of the stuff I have drank. I have drank a lot of things, really. Most of the stuff I have drank, most of the things I have done to get it soft. I was actually scared of going under the knife because I'm really scared of needles. I don't want to and because of the news I heard from the nurse then that if you do this, it's likely to come back. So yeah, I was really scared of going under the knife, so I had to come back to Nigeria to start up with the treatment. The first month of coming back to Nigeria, I was admitted to the hospital where I got some drip and injections. Well, at first I was hoping that the injection is going to work on it, but unfortunately it didn't. If you don't know about chocolate cyst, it's just, you can browse about it. I don't even know how to start explaining it. Someone asked me one certain time if the causes or how can someone get the cyst. It's just an hormone disorder in your hormone, and also endometriosis. I think it's hereditary, like something that you can inherit from your mom and all that. So if you're in China, a Chinese person can tell you if you're always having menstrual cramps that you should try and treat yourself, or else you get to pass it over to your children. So yeah, that's just it. So when I came back, I started the treatment, and I did the first one in the hospital and it did not really work out. So I had to start up with local treatment. I took agbo. I don't know if I still have the video on my SD card because I think I did it then. I took the video clip, but I don't know if I saved it or if I've deleted it. But I have the local agbo which I was taking, and at that moment someone posted that it can also cause a kidney failure, and I was scared. So my husband had to ask me just get rid of that stuff, and that was how I had to I threw that away. Then I started up with another treatment, which is going to a local woman that was actually helping me press my stomach. You know, they also have their own belief, and then they will tell you that maybe it's your womb that's shifted and all that. I don't know, but my womb was being pressed, I was being massaged and given local drugs to also take as well, but it wasn't helping. The pain was still there. I still feel pains every day. I didn't have my life to myself. Chocolate cyst was helping me live my life. I don't know how else to explain it, but the cyst was living my life for me. Sometimes I just cry because I just tell myself I don't deserve it, you know. At a time like this, you get to ask yourself, why you? Why is it that it chose you? Why did it pick you? So I was just saying, I'm a good person per se, for me. I don't know what you think about me, but I know I'm a good person. There are some that really smells like yuck, like it smells so much, but because I was trying to treat myself, because I was trying to get better, right, I was just taking that, I was just dealing with it. Till when will I suffer this? Then I don't even used to cook at home. My husband does everything for me then. That's why I'm so grateful for the kind of person I'm living with. God bless him for me, really. So, but now I'm happy. You guys, I came across something that I actually took, and this video we kind of help people suffering from ovarian cyst, fibroid, chocolate cyst, hormonal imbalance. This is not a sponsored video. For your information, I'm not sponsoring any brand, but because I wouldn't want you to go through the pain I went through, and I wouldn't want you to continue living in that pain in case you have the cyst, in case you have ovarian cyst, fibroid, or any hormonal imbalance, PCOS. I wouldn't want you to keep living in that pain because I've been there. I've experienced it. I've seen what pain is. I've cried over it. I've prayed over it. I've joined NSPPD over it. I've drank different things just to get myself cured. There's one I was taking in China before coming back. That drug is like 600 renminbi. Just like, I think 10 pieces inside. It's a tablet, it's a sachet rather. And it's so freaking expensive. That's like 600 renminbi should be like, with the exchange rate now, 60 something thousand naira, if it is not more than that. So I was taking that just to be fine as well, until I came across this stuff. I'm going to go bring it and show to you guys now. So this is what I'm talking about. I have two here with me. I finished one, and this one is just the last one that I'll be taking now. So this thing, if you're suffering from this is me using one stone to kill more than 5 birds. I'm sharing my story with you in case you don't know about my story, and I'm giving you a cure for it. So in case you have actually, or someone you know have actually clicked out of this video without them watching to this end, well, I don't know what else to say, but I know this will help you because it helped me. So now this is a stem cell supplement. Okay, this is a supplement, stem cell. So I was recommended to take this when I went to get a drug. I actually went to that place to get another drug, and I got recommended to take this. And this is a lifesaver for me because ever since I started taking it last month, I have not had unnecessary pain. I have not experienced back pain. The last time I went, when I was diagnosed, I had the cyst in 2 places. But the last time I went, it was confirmed that it's just left with one side. I'm really excited, guys. You might not really see that on my face, but I am deeply grateful to God Almighty for his healing so far. Really, I am. I started taking this. I was taking this particular stuff, and my last period, I think it was coming out. I was seeing it during my period. I get to like see it come out. If I sit on the toilet, it gets to like come out. So this stem cell actually helped flush it out. I was so amazed. I was so amazed. I never even knew it was actually working until after my period. I get to realize I did not really feel much pain. I was like, I've not really felt pain for quite some time. So my husband was like, that means this is actually working, right? So I had to like get the second one, which is this one, and now this one is almost finished, so we'll get another one by tomorrow or next. But I couldn't just wait to come up here and share the good news. I'm going for another checkup on Monday, and when I go to that place, I will get them scan me, do an ultrasound, and know if the other one that is left is already gone or should be gone, because I don't feel pains anymore. I've been fine. That is just all that matters. This thing, I actually got it for 10,000 naira, but the woman that is selling it said that they have the fake one out there. They have a lot of fake, so I don't know. So you can check in a trusted pharmacy nearest to you. You can check around to see if you're going to get it, but if you cannot get it, you can contact me. But if I'm buying it for people, I'll be buying it for 12,000 naira, because I will still have to like transport myself to that place and bring it to this place, and also come the stress. I use 2,000 naira to run an errand for you. It's not really that bad for your health. So if you get a nice place to buy it, it's okay, you get it. A trusted vendor, you get it, because you can hardly see this. It's not all chemist that sells this, it's not all the pharmacy that sells this. So if you don't have it in your area and you want to buy it, I'll get it for you 12k, but you can browse about it. It's called Fafaron. I'm gonna take this. Do not forget, you just take one cover in the morning and one in the night. So yes, I just came here to share this good news to you. When I go to the hospital, when I go get myself checked, I'm going to come up here and tell you guys the rest of the good news by the grace of God, with you guys the results that I got. So yes, I just hope you guys get to enjoy this video, because it's unplanned. Really, it's unplanned. I'll be going inside the kitchen to go cook. I want to prepare a special meal which I pray I prepare very well, because this is the first time I'm going to be cooking something like this. So yes guys, thank you for staying tuned. If you really want to get this, just let me know, hit me up. I'll be buying it for you, and then I'll be sending to your location anywhere you are. But trust me, this works like magic. If you really want this, if you really want to like cure yourself, like see the cyst in your system come out, the fibroid in your system come out. I forgot to read this out. So it helps with it builds blood, it boosts immune, it energizes, it repairs, replaces, cleans, rejuvenates, restore, and replicates. All right guys, so I'm going to be stopping here because I know this video is already long, but please stay tuned to my Johnny and I series, because it's going to do well. It's going to do well more than how I expect. I know that. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I know with the mindset I have and with God leading me, the series is going to go fine. It's going to go well. This is 2023. Let's be nice to each other. Thank you guys for watching. My email address is there. It will be somewhere around in case you want to work with me. I'm available. Comment section is open for you to leave your contributions, your suggestions, and if you want to get this, just use any of the platform to contact me. Instagram ID will be on the description box. My email address will be there as well, and then comment box is, I'm reading your comments. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to my Johnny and I series, because they're going to be bomb. Okay, I promise you that. I promise you that. Thank you so much, and do hope to see you guys next on my other videos. Bye, and I love you.